When you want to configure the Land Survey app for Android Apglos Survey Wizard, then this video is for you.
In this video we will show you how to go to the settings screens and what you see in the settings screens in this Land Survey app for Android.
In a previous video in this series of videos about Land Survey app for Android, we explained you the mapping screen.
The mapping screen is the first screen you see after logging in and will be the starting point of this tutorial video.
So let's see how you go to the settings screen of this Land Survey app for Android.
In the mapping screen we make sure that the walkthrough is closed. So if you see the walkthrough, then you click on the cross and then we go to the file menu. Here we click on the menu item Other Settings. And now we are on the settings screen. Let's explain you what you see. On the top right you see the menu item of the quick buttons. On the top left side you see the title, and that is settings. On the top right you see the OK button, and under there is the cancel button. Then from up to down you see the main settings, and the first option there is the selection of a predefined coordinate reference system or a localized system. Then you can select the country that you are surveying in. Below that there is the choice of ellipsoid, and below that there is the choice of the coordinate reference system. Under there is the unit selector, and below there you can enter the antenna height. So let's scroll down. And now we see the rest of the options. The next options are in the category of display. Here you can select the display of coordinates. In this option you can select if the map will follow your current position, and then there is the option where you can select how the map is displayed. Under there is the category of functionality. The first one is where you can turn the GIS functionality on and off, and the second one is where you can turn the help function on and off. And the last option is the phone GPS, and there you can select if the GPS of the phone is usable or not.
As you can see, there are not that many settings in this Land Survey app for Android.
In coming videos we will show you how easy it is to configure Apglos Survey Wizard.
So make sure you subscribe, because only then you will be notified when we publish a new video.
Before we publish the video on how you can change the antenna height, which is done in the settings screen.
You can check this video next to us to see more about that.
Thanks for watching.
And enjoy using the Land Survey app for Android, the Apglos Survey Wizard.